All right, let's get to a mad dash. Of course, we got about 7+ minutes till we get an opening bell here to start the week. It's New York to Dallas. What do you got, Jim?
Okay, so David, a long time ago, I said that Bed Bath could be ripe for an LBO, a takeover, because they kept buying back stock. Well, David, they bought back stock into oblivion. And you have been saying for quite a long time that the financial situation here was precarious. Dead right. Closes $6 billion in revenue still up for grabs. Share donor to everybody, especially Target, which is next door to a lot of them. What I thought was most interesting is that they're in 8 different real estate investment trusts. You know, David, that every single one of them has demand for these spaces because there hasn't been that many companies that have gone away. So positive for the REITs, surprisingly, positive for Target, and negative for the fact that this was one of the worst run companies I've ever seen.
Yeah, and listen, you and I sat, I remember you did it as a mad dash through the years oftentimes, sometimes a little more positive than not, but we always pointed out to the enormous amount of stock that they bought back. And as time went on, and I'm talking years here, always at higher prices than where the stock was. It crushed them with the debt load that they took on to do that.
Just such a terrible story about finance. At the same time, you know, Mark Tritton came in a couple years ago. He came from Target. He tried to reinvent the stores. A lot of people were angry at him. But you know what? Amazon was going to crush them unless they reinvented it. They got a lot of private label. But then most of it was sourced from China. Then we had COVID. That was the end of the sourcing. So the stores didn't have any old stuff, didn't have any new stuff. The coupons kind of went away. Then they came back. All I can tell you, David, is the reinvention was as failed as the buyback.
Expand, though, a little bit on why this is not a bad thing for the REITs who own the space that Bed Bath is now going to be abandoning.
What I heard is that there are multiple bidders for the space. Bed Bath had been in there for a long time in each one of these cases, so they can raise the rents dramatically. A surprising number. This has been one of those moments where retail's been actually very strong. We would have had more than Party City, David's Bridal, and Bed Bath go under at this point, given the fact of what the Fed's doing. So, look, we had a lot of companies that want that real estate. The actual strip malls in the country, like the Kimco's, are doing incredibly well. I do think that when I've spoken with Brian Cornell, he's very anxious. He knows he can take a lot of what was left of Bed Bath, but $6 billion up for grabs is not nothing. So it's not bad. It's not a bad situation for everybody else.